Hi, Regina. Hi, Mark. Hi, ReMar nurses. My name is Sherry, and I passed my NCLEX using both the V2 trainer and the Quick Facts book. This book never left my side. It went with me everywhere. Anytime I had a break at work, I was in this book. I learned this book front and back, went to the lessons, I went to do the YouTube videos. Any emails that I received that was something going on with learning, I did it. So this book, along with the YouTube videos, along with anything that Regina sent me and said she was doing, I did it. I studied within like a 6-week time frame. I did the 30 days twice just so I can make sure and review anything that I had problems with. I did it. Before I got V2, I did, you name it, I tried it. I did everything, basically, nursing.com. I did ATI. I did Mark. I did whatever nursing study thing you could think of. I did it. Spent a lot of money until I came up with this. This has been a lifesaver. This book is my best friend in regards to the nursing stuff. Okay. I literally prayed, I meditated, I spoke to my pastor, sought guidance. I believed in myself. It took me a while to finally realize that I can do this, and I was nervous. I was a repeat tester, failed the first 2 times. Time number 3, these 2 here saved my life in regards to this test. I refused to do it after the 3rd time, but I definitely prayed hard. I made sure that I asked for guidance to keep this stuff in my head, to retain it, and I did. So to anyone out there that's taking the NCLEX in preparation of it, or you're a repeat tester, hang in there, don't give up, believe in yourself, study these materials. Learn the materials. Once you get the content, I promise you it'll be easy. And to everyone else out there, just please follow Nurse Regina. If she send you a video, go watch it. If she send you an email with hints and clues, do it. I promise you, you will not regret it. So in the words of Miss Regina, I did. I passed NCLEX Next Gen with ReMar. Be blessed, everyone, and good luck.